Hey everybody, it's Jared Livingston here with Big Pine Sports, and you're looking at the cabin owner's dream. I wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about one of our latest projects. This machine is designed to get families to and from the cabin with ease through this winter. Kind of wanted to do a little walk around and show you a little bit about some of the things that are capable on the Viking 6. We have installed the street legal kit on this that allow them to drive up and down the roads here in Utah with ease without having any trouble. We've also installed a Warren winch on here as well as a snow plow. These guys do have to plow some of the roadway into their cabin, and we've set this up properly. You can also see the camoplast tracks on here. These guys do run dirt tires in the summer and put the tracks on for the winter time. With the tracks on, they're going to be able to go down the pavement, on the dirt, gravel, slush, snow. They're designed to do it all with the camoplast all seasons. We've also installed the full cab kit on this one. This cab kit is sweet. You don't have any field of view that's lost with the cab kit installed like some of the cab kits that are out there. You do have the ability to lock the cab kit. So if you get away from your cabin and you're just out on a different site, hiking around or doing anything, snowshoeing, skiing, or anything like that, you can lock your valuables inside. The window's also open if you'd like a little bit of breeze or anything like that. On the back, they've done the tonneau cover to keep the snow and debris out of the back of the bed. It does have the full back window as well. On the inside, some great features we've done on this one is the full heater kit and heated seats. So on the heated seats, we've installed it on the butt and the back portion. You've got low, off, and high on the heated seat portion. From the defrost and heater side, you can see the heater vents down here on the legs to keep your legs nice and warm. And up inside the cab, you actually have defrost for the full glass automotive style windshield. That's going to keep it nice and toasty inside this cab. And as you look around, you can see there's no gaps anywhere that's going to let a lot of cold air inside the cab. They've also gone with the middle box. This box can fit on any seat. Simply by pulling up on the bottom, you can move it to the back or any of the sides. Gives you a couple additional cup holders and some room for additional storage inside. The street legal kit is simply operated by this turn signal switch. Left is going to operate the turn signal left. You'll see indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. Horn buttons integrated into the end, and you also have the four-way hazard function. Also on this machine, they've selected to do the automatic windshield wiper. It does have both windshield wiper fluid as well as an electric wiper. The Viking 6s have been our #1 seller this year due to a lot of reasons. The cost is absolutely incredible to be able to haul that many people back and forth from your cabin or home or whatever you're doing. But it's pretty unlimited what we can do to these machines nowadays. Bluetooth sound systems, the heated seat, of course, the track kits are super popular. And don't go cheap doing track kits. These camoplast track kits are lasting, and like I say, you can take them on the asphalt, on the dirt, on the slush, and on the snow. So we're really happy with how this thing turned out. I'll show you the owner of this wonderful machine. What do you think?
Awesome. Money well spent.
Money well spent right there. You've heard it right from the owner. So I hope all of you are doing out there. The snow is coming. I know it's pretty dry up on the mountain right now, but all the broadcasters and people that are in the know about the weather are claiming the snow's coming very late this year, but it's also going to be very heavy. So thank you all for dialing in. Viking 6-seater, fully loaded with all the bells and whistles. If you need help or have information or questions about this machine, give us a call, 435-427-3338, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.